Welcome back to derivbinaryoptions.com. Today is another amazing video, and as you can see, the first trades are digit 5 and 3. Remember, that is the outcome. So hedging usually gives two double chances. So there is a loss and there is a win. So there is a win and a loss. So what do we benefit from the hedging bots? What we benefit is there is this doubt that the digits will come out as a win and a loss. So if that is the case, we get the results, or our profits come from the martingale that keeps on happening. Are we together? That's where the hedging bots make sense. We get money from hedging via martingale. So in case there is a loss on one side, we put the martingale on the losing side. So in case the next time and then there is a profit, we get to earn something. So you can see here we lost, because why? We lost both trades, the win, or the expected win and the loss. Why? Because we are hedging over 5 and under 4. So with that, the payout is a bit higher. So we only lose in case there is a digit 4 outcome or a digit 5 outcome. Are we together? So we will only be losing at those points. And what will we lose? We will lose both of them. So right now it is checking if the last 3 digits, which normally stays for so long, so you need for patient, then as you just still wait for that patient, remember Deriv can produce over 5 to 6 consecutive digits on the same angle. So they can produce 555 or 45, a mixture of those two digits, 4 and 5, because they already know we are doing hedging. So if this person is doing hedging, we understand that that person can either only lose by 2 digits, either a 4 outcome or a 5 outcome. So for us, we are checking if the last 3 digits are 4 or 5 in that sequence. So that is what is happening here. So where will we lose? We have already known we are going to lose both trades if the outcome is either a 4 or a 5. Then when are we going to be winning? In case, if let's say we are doing the analysis of 3 digits, in case the fourth one is not 5 or 4, automatically we win. So that's the first trade. Let's see. Again, see, we have hit 4, then we have recovered. See the streak, 1 2 3 4. So because we are doing check the last 3, the outcome was there, then we hit 4 of them. Are we together? So you see the disadvantage. See another streak there, 5 5 5, then 6. We have won. The outcome is digit 6. You can see the price there 2 times. Digit 6 is the outcome because it executes at the same time. So let's wait again, and I've told you that it's very possible, very possible for those higher chances to happen. So it is upon you whether you can do 4 count or 5 count or 6 count. Bear in mind that there is that time which they can do that those configurations, and you'll still hit those you'll still hit that loss. In case there is, maybe you are doing 3 and then they produce 6 already, because it's trading on the same on every tick, the exit will be a 5 or a 4, so you'll still lose. But the advantage is, if the outcomes are never to be 4 or 5, you will always keep winning. It's like someone who is trading now differs. It is like differs, but now it's advanced differs, because you are trading over under. So you can see like here 4 5. So if you are doing 2, the outcome will be 3, so we will have won. And most of the time, if you have seen me, I usually do 2 times, because I know it's possible for them to produce more digits. So in case it will come a time for them to give me more digits, no problem, I'll have accepted the situation. Let's try that too. Then I use the most volatile market, that is volatility 100. So start auto trading, then look at it. The trades now will be faster. So you can see the first 2, digit 9. Can you see digit 9 is the outcome? Again, digit 9 has come out as the outcome. You can see, look at 5 5, again 6 is the outcome. See, 1 is the outcome after that one. It doesn't miss those ticks. So if in case we happen to see a streak of more than 2, just know that we are losing that trade. Why? It will have produced more digits. Look like this one, this is matches digit 66666. Can you see this one is 8? We can see it 0, so we need to see the outcome as 0. Again, there's an entry there 9. We can see the outcome 6. Then let's see, so checking the last two only. If there is a 4, see here we have hit a loss. Why? It has produced 444, so the outcome will be 4, and then we have recovered there. See, 1 2 3 4, outcome digit is a loss, then recovery there, and it will recover on every tick. So that's why if you get a chance, you'll recover already. So you can see there. So we have seen now there is a streak of 4. Let's see whether we can have another streak. Look at this one, 1 2 3 4, the outcome already we have won there. But now you see, because it's hedging, we are at a drawdown now. We are at a very big drawdown. So checking the last 2 digits, still the hedging has some complications in terms of especially when using the most volatile markets. That's why we included the safeguard there. And I told you the best part is the safe scanner there. So I told you the best part is, number one, you are risking. So so you just need to see this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 streak of 4 and 5. Have you seen? So it's very possible. Can you see what we have lost all that? So it's very possible for Deriv to produce those digits. And I usually say, if you are, in case you are watching me, you already know we do things which are actual and what is accurate. Right now I'm testing using a very small account that is 20 USD. We are at a drawdown. Then I'll be showing you what we will be doing in case we can see there's a recovery there. 5 has appeared. So you can see what can maybe help you here is at times the martingale, but now you can see a small account won't survive. So better do like me if that doesn't happen. And I've told you, if you see such kind of intentions, what you do, you see this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 consecutive 6. So what you do, the virtual trades cannot work here. Number one, because we are still winning. So for that, let's just clear that, and then I show you what we will recover that. And then as we proceed, so we are going to go to the enhanced auto switch over 2-bot, the second one. Can you see this one? The second one, that one. So without also clicking the virtual trade, so we'll just start our bot there as we talk. So we are going to be targeting 10 USD so that we recover all that loss and get a 5 USD in on top. So why I'm using the auto switch, because it detects and knows when to switch, when to enter a trade. When it will discover that we are now on a good streak, it proceeds. So it is trading with using the auto switch. So you will note also the payout, sometimes it's different. You can see 4 is giving us 1 USD, 2 is giving us 0.38. Again, it has given us 2, it has given us 0.7. So it is knowing when to apply the proper risk management. So right now we had 12 USD. So if you are a 12 USD user, you can use the auto switch, because most of the bots here are very powerful. So you can see, I want to show you that it is very possible. Right now we are at around about 12 USD. Let's see whether we are going to recover the full loss and then return to a profit of 5, and then we stop our bot. So the reason as to why I was talking about the hedging is because we cannot apply the virtual hooks there, because we always win on one side and lose on the other side. Number 2, we are out of that loss. Look at it, very amazing. So the hedging bots, I'm trying, really trying to know when we can get into trades and then evade those wrong streaks of when Deriv shoots or removes those consecutive, those 4 5 4 4 4 5. If you have any idea, comment, because I love the people who normally come to the DM and then they ask questions. Why? They help me a lot in also coming up with the new strategies, because here at derivbinaryoptions.com we try to make things real, not fake things. Instead of those fake matches bots, instead of doing those wonders that show you magnificent or profits or what, let's do real. We are real here in this community. That's why we are trading with a small account, showing that what is working, what will not work, won't work. So when it comes to execution, you can use such a bot for the auto switch, because that's why I've put it on the site, because it will help you who has a small account to grow your account very smoothly using like that auto switch. And it is very powerful. We are going to recover our 5. You can see we are almost recovering our 5 USD. Very perfect. So 20 USD, 5 USD scooped, we are back. So now what is it? We almost now, from here we now target another 5. You remember we had 20, then we lost the 5 USD. We have recovered it. Then I usually tell you, always maintain until you recover, you hit your target, the one you wanted. So I wanted a 5 USD account that is basically knowledgeable. If you are doing forex and you know about the 1:2 is the same we are applying here, despite that this one is more of you are getting more profits, because you cannot start with 20 and then in 5 in forex in using ratio 1:2. But for me here it is applicable very well. So in case I hit 25, I just stop that way. So you can see we have hit 10 USD. Our loss, which was lost, we have recovered it. We are now at a good place. You can see what has happened, and you can see the transactions, very smart. And we have hit at 5 USD profit. So the reason I wanted is to show you that the enhanced auto switch bot, any bot you see here, can work for you very well if you stay disciplined. So let's meet in the next video, and let me know your views on the comment section. In case you have ideas to evade those streaks, I will really appreciate to help all of us as a community grow together. Let's meet in the next video.